Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce client onboarding time with Gusto, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of a smooth client onboarding process is essential for any business. Gusto is an excellent tool to streamline this process. Begin by creating your Gusto account, if you haven't already. Visit the Gusto website and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the required information to set up your account. Once your account is active, log in to the Gusto dashboard. Navigate to the Clients section from the main menu. Click on Add New Client to initiate the onboarding process for a new client. Fill in your client's details, including their name, email, and business information. Make sure to include the client's payroll and payment preferences. This information is crucial for setting up their profile accurately. After entering the necessary details, save the information. Next, invite your client to complete their onboarding paperwork. Gusto provides an option to send an invitation directly via email. Once your client receives the invitation, they can fill out their information through a user-friendly interface. Encourage them to complete their onboarding tasks promptly. While your client is completing their profile, take a moment to review Gusto's templates and guides. These resources can help you answer any questions your client may have during this process. Monitor the onboarding status through your Gusto dashboard. You can see when your client has completed their paperwork. If any steps are incomplete, follow up with your client to ensure everything is on track. Once all steps are completed, Gusto will process the information and set everything up for you. This includes payroll setup and tax filings tailored to your client's specific needs. Finally, take advantage of Gusto's reporting features once onboarding is complete. These reports can help you analyze the onboarding process and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce client onboarding time with Gusto. Streamlining this process will allow you to focus on building strong client relationships. Using Gusto effectively will lead to a more efficient and enjoyable onboarding experience for both you and your clients. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.